Shocking story of police brutality being reported from Mumbai. A woman accused of stealing jewellery from her landlord was allegedly brutally beaten up by 4 policemen in Chunabhati police station. This woman was thrashed so savagely that she now has trouble walking or even standing on her feet. The woman alleges that when she did not confess, the policemen put a cloth in her mouth, stepped on her feet and beat her up for nearly 6 hours. And according to the complaint, she was taken to the police station on the 30th of August and initially beaten up by 2 women constables. After some time, 4 policemen took over and beat her for nearly 6 hours. Local women groups, in fact, took up the matter with the police, forcing an inquiry into this matter.
मेरे मैडम ने मेरे ऊपर चोरी कार्ड डाल के लेके गए, पुलिस आए थे लेके दूसरे काम पे। मेरे इधर पूछे नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, मेरे को मारने की चालू किया। फिर मेरे मम्मी पापा को, मेरी माँ को, मेरे भाई को लेके गए घर में ताला लगा के। फिर मम्मी पापा को बहुत मारे, पापा को और भाई को मेरे। फिर इसके बाद ये लोग मैडम आई थी इधर, इनके सामने मेरे को बहुत मारा अंदर। ये मैडम ने रोकी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं बोले।
लेकिन हम लोग की सबकी एक ही राय है कि गीता को इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए। गीता के साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ बहुत बुरा हुआ है और जो उसके साथ हो किसी और के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए उसको इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए। और हम लोग आखिरी दम तक लड़ेंगे। हम लोग को कुछ भी किसी भी तरह की सेटलमेंट नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ गीता को इंसाफ चाहिए हमारा।
Well, a disturbing case of police brutality coming to light from Mumbai. Virendra Gunawat joins us for more on this. Viren, what are the cops saying about this barbaric act? Why did they have to beat up this woman so mercilessly for a case of theft?
Avantika, the unfortunate part is that most of the police officials are not coming on camera now. In fact, they have completely denied the entire issue. They have said that we have not done anything much and we have just inquired about the case from that lady. In fact, the very interesting is that the owner of the flat where this lady was working as a maid, even they said that they have not told police to beat the lady up. It was only for the inquiry that they have complained it. But however, even a local NGO, a lady had gone there second day to stop the police to beat the lady. But still, the complaint made by the Sarika Gaikwad, the victim, the Geeta More, the victim, she said that for 6 hours she was beaten up badly, and it was like a third degree done by the Chembur police officials. In fact, there were four male police in that. But however, we will definitely take this issue up, and we'll speak to the CP, and even we'll speak to the senior officials in that police station. But overall, yes, it's a very unfortunate incident where 6 hours a lady was beaten up badly by male and female police constable, giving the third degree for a small petty issue.
Okay, now this lady has been accused of theft by her owners. What are her employers have to say, and also what medical treatment is being given to this lady who has been beaten up so severely by the Mumbai police?
She was taken to the local police. She was taken to the local clinic for the medical treatment. That was done, but still the owner of the flat, he himself said later on that we found that the lady was not involved into the theft of that 3 lakh rupee. First, they found they were suspicious about the lady, and that's why they complained to the police station to do a mere inquiry, not to give a third degree to this lady. However, the police decided to give the third degree and beat that lady black and blue. But overall, the owner has denied that she was involved in the theft. The medical treatment has been given, but overall, it's a completely human angle where it seems that even these local NGO would go to the Human Rights Commission as well very soon.